Hello, my shining stars. Today, again, I'm here with you all to share a video. And do you know what it is? It's a marking scheme. Yes, it's the answer key of the previous question paper. Previous question paper, I mean to say that the video which I have shared with you all previously of this session sample papers answer key which has been issued by the CBSE board of session 2025 and 26. So here we go. This is the MCQ type questions whose answer key is over here. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See over here in question number 7, it is given for visually impaired candidates. So students who are okay means who are not visually impaired candidates. So please you don't attempt this question wherever this heading has been given. So these type of questions are given for the visually impaired students or the candidates. Now question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So till 18 there will be MCQ type questions, and from 19 and 20 means the two questions 19 and 20, this will be assertion reason type questions. So now section A is completed, means we are done with 1 marks type questions. Now let's move to other section. And this is section B. As you know very well, even I have discussed in the previous video also that section B is of 2 marks. And here is the marking scheme. See students, how the board members, we can say that how the evaluators give the marks to you all step by step. Question number 21. See, what are the things which you have to keep in your mind? That n is given 60 degree, A value, D value, this carries half marks, and the other line it carries half marks, and then the final answer it carries 1 marks. So you have to be very careful about your working. Each and everything which is very important related to the question, you have to write it. Hope you got. This is the B part, means it's optional question which has been given as a internal choice question. Now let's see question number 23. Again here you can see that this is half marks, then downwards again half marks. Question number 24. Again see what type of a marking is there, 1 in section B, means B part, again 1 marks. Question number 25. See, I think 25, okay, 25 is of also 2 marks question, but see how the board has given us the marking. See, these all statements here you can see that what they have done, half, and half. In 4 parts they have given half. So all the step markings are there students, so please don't try to don't try to write down your answer in short, because there is step marking in your question. Hope it is very clear. Okay, so again this is for visually impaired candidates. Again this is not for you. The students who belong from this category, visually impaired candidates, has to attempt this. Okay, so now let's move to section C, and you know very well this is of 3 marks. Acha, one more thing students, I would like to tell you all that question number 26. Okay, this is very important question, because every year we got such type of question. Every